Good day everyone, I'm Paulo Gabor and I'm here to discuss my learnings about fire protection and arson. Okay, we have two theories of combustion. First is the fire triangle theory. Fire triangle theory is the graphical representation of the three elements of fire, namely oxygen, heat, and fuel. Heat is a form of energy generated by the transmission of some other form of energy, as in combustion of burning, and it is responsible for the initial ignition of fire, and is also needed to maintain the fire and enable it to spread. Next is oxygen. Oxygen is a colorless, odorless gas and one of the composition of air, which is approximately 21% by volume. Oxygen supports the chemical processes that occur during fire. When fuel burns, it also reacts with oxygen from the surrounding air, releasing heat and generating combustion products. The third one is fuel. Any substance which reacts chemically with oxygen and produce flames. The idiom "add fuel to the fire" can be traced back to an ancient Rome and the history of Titus Livius, who lived around 1 AD. The next is fire tetrahedron theory. The fire tetrahedron theory is a geometric representation of the four properties that must be necessary for a fire to occur within a given situation. These properties include fuel, heat, and oxidizing agent or chemical chain reaction, and an uninhibited chemical reaction. The purpose of the fire tetrahedron is to provide a simple explanation of how fire works and thus make clear how to extinguish a given type of fire in an emergency. If any element of the fire tetrahedron is suppressed or removed, the fire itself will be extinguished. These are the types of energy. First is chemical energy. Is the most common source of heat in combustion reactions. When any combustible is in contact with oxygen, oxidation occurs. The reaction of this process results in the production of heat. Number 2 is electrical energy. Electrical energy can generate temperatures high enough to ignite any combustible material near the heated area. And the last one is nuclear energy. Nuclear heat energy is generated when atoms either split apart, fission, or combine fusion. Once again, I'm Paulo Gabor, and that's all. Thank you.